Hey guys, it's Peyton again, and today I bought stuff off of Amazon, and I got 2 knives, a BB gun, and BBs. And we'll go to the knives first. Here's the package of the first one. They covered what it says, but it's on the back. And yeah. Here it is. This would go in there like that. That's what it looks like. It has a monster symbol right there. And whatever that says. And it's flip action. And it has hands on the blade. And that's for breaking windows. And that's for cutting seat belts. So it's like a safety knife. On to the next one. Here's the next one. Has a skull, green around it. It's quite big. Bigger than my hand. Has a clip. And this one has a clip. It's flip action, but it's hard to flip. And here it is. Has a skull on it. Really sharp teeth. And there. On to the BB gun. Here's the BB gun. And that's what you click to get the clip out. Hold on, guys. What?
What are you doing?
Recording a video.
Are you ready?
There's the BB gun. And I bought these BBs too because if you get $5, you get a free shipping. And it was $49 and I got a $50 gift card. And I got these BBs. Don't know if you see that. And yeah, that's all I have to show for you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.